In this tutorial, I will guide you how to change bot difficulty in Counter-Strike 2. Make sure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now press escape on your keyboard, select this settings menu, go to game. Now ensure that enable developer console is set to yes. Now press escape to come back to the game. Now to change the bot difficulty, just press this tilde key here to open the console. If you don't know how to get the tilde key, you can just use the on-screen keyboard which to set this is a tilde key here. Now also set this tilde key. Now you need to first remove the bots that are found, because these commands will only apply to new bots. It will not apply to the current bots that are found. So you'll have to type bot underscore kick to remove the current bots, then type bot underscore difficult. You can either choose from 0 to 3. 0 is easy and 3 is more professional or hard. So I'm going to set to 1. Click enter and then type bot underscore add to add the bots. You can keep adding more that you would like. Now let me show you on how the level 1 will look like for the bots. You can see the bots are very easy to defeat. This is just level 1. So you can either choose from level 1 from level 0 up to 3. I'll put the levels on the screen there so that you can see much more easy. So that's how you can change the bot difficulty in Counter-Strike 2. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.